Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Reused craft ideas are thoughtful, great and amazing ideas. In our modern world where waste is increasing rapidly and resources are limited, the concept of reuse has become more important than ever. One of the most creative and beneficial ways to reuse materials is through reuse craft. Reuse craft involves using old, discarded, or everyday household items and turning them into useful or decorative things. It is not only an environmentally friendly practice but also a fun, educational, and often artistic activity. The meaning of reuse craft. Reuse craft is all about giving new life to old objects. Instead of throwing away used jars, clothes, newspapers, or cardboard boxes, we use them to create new items such as home decor, storage solutions, or gifts. It promotes the habit of waste not, want not, encouraging us to value things we already have. Benefits of reuse craft. Environmental protection. By reusing things, we reduce the amount of garbage going to landfills and oceans. Money savings. Instead of buying expensive items, we can create useful things at home with zero cost. Creativity and skill building. Crafting improves creativity, patience, and fine motor skills. Fun family activity. Reuse crafts are great for bonding with family, especially children who learn while having fun. Educational value. It teaches responsibility, eco-awareness, and artistic expression. Popular reuse craft ideas. Here are some creative and simple reuse craft ideas. Glass jar lanterns, t-shirt tote bags, plastic bottle planters, newspaper baskets, CD wall art, violet crown pencil holders, old sock puppets, bottle cap magnets, tin can organizers, button jewelry. How to encourage reuse craft at home or school. Keep a craft box with leftover paper, cloth, bottles, buttons, etc. Assign reuse craft projects as homework in schools. Organize but best out of waste competitions. Watch DIY craft tutorials online for inspiration. Involve the family during holidays or weekends to make it fun and memorable. Reuse craft is more than just a hobby, it's a way of life that teaches us to be kind to the earth, use our creativity, and find beauty in the simplest things. It turns trash into treasure and problems into possibilities. Every time we reuse something creatively, we are not only saving the environment but also making a statement we care. So guys, I really hope that you will like my information. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and don't forget to share my video.